59. This is page 92 and page 93. I would keep the book out just because we're going to do all of them kind of at once. Okay, so the first thing though that we're going to do is we are going to figure out how to build all of these different triads, okay? So let's go to what we know, and that's in the key of C. C, E, and G. This is our triad, and this is a major. In the key of C, E is natural. That makes this a major third. I would write this somewhere on like a little cheat sheet so you know how to build all these triads. I put them on your keyboard or anywhere that will help you remember. Now, go to the next triad. In the key of E, G should be sharped, but it's not here. So that makes this a minor third. So how you build a major triad, it's a major third on the bottom and a minor third on top. Now let's build a minor triad. Okay, this is going to be a minor. So in the key of C, E should be natural, but it's been flatted. It's been lowered a half step, which makes it smaller. That makes this a minor third. And in the key of E flat, G is natural, which makes that a major third. So the top is going to be major third. So notice these are flip-flopped. So in the key of, to make a major triad, the bottom third is major, top is minor, and the minor triad, it's the opposite. Okay, now let's do a diminished. Sometimes written like that, or you'll see it with a little degree sign. And that little degree sign, that means diminished. So let's build the triad. So here we go. In the key of C, E should be natural. It's been lowered a half step, which makes this a minor third. And in the key of E flat, G should be natural, but it's not here. It's been lowered, which makes it a minor third. So note that diminished triads are made up of minor, minor. And then let's lastly do augmented. You could probably figure it out. Okay, so in the key of C, and this is going to be aug, or a lot of times you see it as just a plus sign. It's kind of a shorthand instead of having to write all that out. So in the key of C, E is natural, which makes that a major third. And in the key of E, G should be sharped, which it is, which makes that a major third. So to build all of these is exactly that. So make sure you write that somewhere, because it is a little cheat sheet that will help you get through all of this. Okay. So now let's look on page 92, and again, you can kind of keep them open to keep looking at both of them, but because I'm short of space, I'm gonna, and I can't read. Okay, so the minor triads in a major scale, you'll see here, are 2, 3, and 6. So your major triads are 1, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's look at that. Remember what we did yesterday with all of these. So you had 1, let me do it this way. You had 1, now we're going to have a little baby 2, a little baby 3, a big fat 4, a big 5, a little baby 6, leave out 7, and then of course we always end on 1, right? Okay, so here's our 1. Let's do the key of C. C, here's our D, E, F is automatically major, and 6. Okay, so if I went through to figure out all of these qualities, I know that this would be minor, minor, minor. Let's do one just to double check. In the key of D, F should be F should be sharped, but it's not here, so it's minor. In the key of F, A should be natural, and it is, which makes that major. I'm right. It's a minor triad, which is a little baby 2. And if I went to name these, this would be a big fat C. This would be, you could do this as big C with a big M, D little m, E, little m, F, big M, G, big M, and then A, little m. And of course you're back home to 1, CM. And you gotta make sure M's are big or little. I love when people try to do one or the other, and then it kind of, you can't really tell. All right, so this is what they're showing you at the top. So basically what you're doing at the bottom is you're gonna build all of those minor triads. Then this is like a whole line of music, like block triads in the key of F. So you gotta figure out what scale degree they all are. And then same with 2. So go ahead and figure those out and we'll come back.